Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Mailjet, which is a very nice email marketing software you can use on a regular basis to help your business grow. We will discuss some pros and cons, and you will know how much you should expect to spend on it. And we can compare it to some competitors. So without any further ado, let's get started. Mailjet is an email marketing platform designed to make email marketing easier for businesses, professionals, and enterprises. It allows users to track, send, and deliver transactional emails easily and effectively to promote growth and enhance the company's user experience. It also enables the user to target clients by providing features for sending relevant emails and for increasing the customer experience. It can monitor actionable insights and performance to further enhance your progress with its small tools. The platform is suitable for SMBs and enterprises, and also developers who get features like contact management, A/B testing, and auto responses to click map events, click-through tracking, and spam checking. It also offers a free trial version up to 6,000 emails per month. But if you want more than that, you can obviously go for the premium version. Apart from offering a wide range of premium plans, Mailjet is predominantly targeted at businesses rather than individuals or freelancers, and it works in every single viewer, and you don't have to install it at all. In fact, they offer a free trial where you can sign up for free. You just need your email address and password. We will do that in a minute, but before we go there, let's take a look at the pricing plan. What exactly you can expect. As you can see, the bread and butter is the number of emails per month you want to send. I'm in Europe, so let's convert dollars into euros. There are even options for the British pound at the moment. With an annual plan, you can save up to 10, which is not a lot. To be honest, I saw companies going 25 to 33 sales on their annual plans. So let's check monthly if you want to keep it free. You can only send 6,000 emails per month, and that's 200 emails per day. It's really nice to have unlimited contacts, APIs, SMTP, relay webhooks available in the free version, basic statistics, and advanced email, or when you upgrade to essential 14 euros a month, you will get 15,000 emails per month, no daily sending limit. So if you are freaky enough, you can just send all 15,000 in one day and it's okay with them. It starts at $23 and annually it's $20. It fits 15,000 emails a month, and all the features, almost only feature that is unlocked in customs is dedicated chat and phone support and email verification. But you see, when you go to 50k, 100k, 250k, and even more, you basically have to talk to an expert. They claim to get the offer, but we are starting at 15,080 and ending at 385 100 euros per 50 emails per month. When we want to get a free trial, we have to give them the account. Let's go with my funny one, but this is just sign up. So let's go at this. Let's go again. We need at least one special character. Yeah, we are another robot. Let's go. Let's not maintain industry. Let's go food and spirits, pride. Now let me go to my email and confirm my account. Can this take a while? Okay, but I didn't receive an email, so it took them 2 minutes to activate the account. That's easy for our developer or marketer. Let's go with the marketer, and then we have to complete all those steps to basically start sending emails. But I don't really want to bore you up, so first let's send the test campaign. We can do that and then continue. As you can see, those are not mandatory, so you can skip them. You just create a campaign and then you follow along step by step, but I'll show you more in the next video. So you will see how we are going to create a pretty good campaign on Mailjet. So far I hope that you understood the basic concept, and I hope that you enjoyed the video and it helped you a lot. And thanks you guys for watching the video, and have a great day. We will see you in the next video.